Welcome back. This is LetsrollQ channel on YouTube. We're gonna unbox the Echo Dot um, speaker. The It works with all of this with Amazon Music, Apple, Spotify, Sirius XM, Pandora, NPR, TuneIn, Hue, personal wireless lighting, SmartThings, TP-Link, and more. It says here is the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation power adapter. See, give you some samples on the front. You can say Alexa, play today's top hits, or you can say call mom, or you can say what's the weather. There's many of the things that you can do with it. It says far field voice control. You don't have to be close to it to give commands as long as it hears your voice. This side says Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out. You can add Alexa to any room. Echo Dot connects to Alexa and provides full sound from a compact design that fits anywhere in your home. Enjoy crisp, clear music from your favorite streaming services on the built-in speaker. You can also connect to speakers over Bluetooth or with a 3.5mm audio cable. It's designed around your voice. Just ask Alexa to play music, read the news, check the weather, forecast, set alarms and timers, control smart home devices, call almost anyone, and more. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Then the third one says voice control music throughout your home. Ask Alexa for a song, artist, or genre from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, and Sirius XM. With multi-room music, you can play music on your compatible Echo devices in different rooms. Control your smart home hands-free. Use your voice to control thousands of compatible devices. Just ask Alexa to turn on the lights, adjust thermostat, lock doors, find TV shows, and more. So I already have an Alexa in the house. We have it on the first floor. So I got this second one, and I will have it in the second floor, and I will check if this. It says that you can connect several of them, so to have the same music around the house. So we'll check that out. Yep. So let's open it. I already cut the tape to make it faster, and we'll see how it is. So it goes on top right here. Comes with Echo Dot Amazon instructions, things you can try, and then at the bottom comes the cable for power. As simple as that. There is nothing else you need. We have Amazon Prime, so that works with this. And I'm able, with the other one that I already have, I'm able to like turn on my Xbox One that I have, and then I can ask to look for music. It will look for music. I have it connected to my phone and my laptop, so I can use this as a speaker. So we'll see. Rubber in the bottom, so it doesn't move. Cable. That's my cat, Tiger. He likes to talk when I'm doing these things. There you go. It's all connected. Let's do the setup, and then we'll see if we can play with it. Let me pause the video. scanning for Wi-Fi for the connection to the internet. So it's doing that, and you can see a little bit of the change of color. Let me turn this off.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, so like she said, you have to get the Alexa app in your phone, which I already have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my phone, open the Alexa app, and scan for new devices. Okay, so in the app, you go into the devices part. Let me see if I can show that here. I don't know if the phone is gonna be, oh there you go. So in the bottom part of your Alexa app, you're gonna click on devices, which is right here, and then that will take you into another window, and then in that window you will let me see. Okay, so in that window, I don't know if it's too close. There you go. So in that window, you will be in the devices. You're gonna go into all devices. Okay, and after you do that, you're gonna go into one in the top where it says add device. Right here on top, there's a plus sign. And when you get that, let's see if I can show that one. So now what you're gonna do is add device. It's ask you what kind of device, and then you're gonna click on Amazon Echo. Which device would you like to set up? Echo Dot. Okay, and in Echo Dot you have the third generation or the first generation. I have the third generation, as it says in the box. Tells you here. I don't know if where was it? It says right here on the side, little tiny letter writing. Let's see, right here. Third generation. So we're gonna click third generation. If your Echo Dot plug in and displays an orange light, so it does displays an orange light. Okay, so I say yes. Allow location access. This app needs your application to make device setup easier, enable location-based features, get local results and more. So allowed access to location. For the best experience, please turn on location services on your mobile phone. So that would be my GPS. I just did. Come on. So you go in settings in your phone. Okay, so now it says setup, turn on Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn on Bluetooth.
to set up this device, go to settings and do the Bluetooth thing. So I'm going to do Bluetooth. Now it's reading it. So I think I know. Let's see. I think I have it. It's had a new name, so I'm hoping. Let's see. I want to make sure that's what I have. So it's reading it. Okay, so I'm going to assume, like it says on my phone, I'm not too sure about it, but it says Echo ET3. It says connecting. So we'll see. So on my phone, I'm doing trying to connect to media audio. Okay, I don't know. Oh, there you go. I hear the sound. That's the Wi-Fi network. So now I'm just selecting what Wi-Fi connection I have in my house. So it's making sure the device is nearby, plug in, and in pairing mode. So there you go. So now it turned from orange to blue. So now there you go. So that's how you do it. So now I read it. That was me in the phone selecting the connection that I have in my house for Wi-Fi, and that's how he's already set up now. So he has to change from orange to blue. Okay, so now it's connected. Now I'm getting a message through my email that tells me to check what I can do with the Echo. So if you check your email after you go to all the setup for your app and you put your email, you're gonna get an email saying these are the things that you can do with your new Echo device. Oh, by the way, this one cost me $22. It was cheap. They're all cheap now. You can get very cheap stuff. So your phone is gonna say your Echo Dot is now connected. Let's see if I can get it closer. And that's what it's gonna say. So that means it's ready. And it already told you. I mean, the thing already told you that it's ready. So we're gonna do continue. Which room is your Echo Dot in? So you can group your device by rooms, help them work together better. So I have the living room one. I got a dining room, kitchen. You had the choices: kitchen, dining room, bedroom, master bedroom, family room, den, office, bathroom, hallway, lounge, basement, garage, patio, backyard, downstairs, upstairs. So I'm gonna do upstairs. I'm gonna hit continue. Let's check that out. So we do upstairs and I say continue. Okay, I'm waiting. So it says setup. Where is your Echo Dot? Alexa can give you local weather.
Currently, in Milwaukee, it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect rainy weather with a high of 38 degrees and a low of 40 degrees. Would you like to know the weather for this weekend?
No thanks. as you can see, as soon as you say the name, she is gonna come on and hear whatever you say. So you have to be careful about that. So okay, so after saying that, traffic and more, addresses listed below are from your Amazon shopping account. So it will tell you the address and all the stuff, location you have. So the device can tell you the area, your weather, traffic, all that stuff. I can enter a new address, and I'm going to enter a new address. Continue. I'm hitting continue. And I'm going to show you that because it has my address, but sorry, I had to select the address already in there. I was trying to get continue and I did not click an address. Click on your address, then hit continue. Okay, name this address. Give this address a name so it can be used when speaking to Alexa. Okay, so now I'm in the main page. I'm in the main part of my phone in the Alexa app. And I'm gonna show you pretty quick. It's right here, right there. So now it's set up, it's ready, and you can do whatever. I mean, there's so many things you can do, and it can be fun too. So listen to this. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's the opposite of irony? Wrinkly.
You hear? Or you can be like, Alexa, stock market.
Currently, the American stock market is up, with the S&P 500 up 0.64% at 3,274. The Nasdaq Composite Index up 0.80% at 9,202, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.75% at 28,962.
Yeah, so you can ask a ton of things. We can make a video about it so you guys can see how much fun we can have with it. But yeah, that is the Echo Dot Generation 3 for Alexa. Right there. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Please share if you can. Every subscription, every like is welcome. It will help my channel a lot. So thanks for watching, and this is LetsrollQ. See you later. Oh, my face is right here because you had to know where you had to know my face. There you go. Okay, bye bye. Thanks.